Imagine teaching someone to write a haiku. Do you just explain the rules? Or do you show them examples first? You could just tell them the rules. 575 syllables. Or you could show them real examples first. Then let them try. This is the difference between zero-shot and few-shot prompting. And knowing which to use can dramatically improve your AI results. Today, we'll explore both approaches, see them in action with ChatGPT, and learn exactly when to use each one. Zero-shot prompting means giving the AI a task without any examples. You describe what you want, and the AI figures it out from its training. It's like asking a chef to make curry without showing them a recipe. They rely on their experience and training to figure out what you want. A zero-shot prompt includes a task description, clear instructions, constraints, and the expected format, but no examples of the output. Notice what's missing. Examples. The AI must rely entirely on the instruction and its training data. Few-shot prompting means providing examples before asking the AI to perform the task. You show it the pattern, then ask it to follow. Think of it like a teacher showing a student how to solve problems before giving them a new one. The teacher shows example 1, example 2, example 3. The student learns the pattern. Then the teacher says, "Now you try." The student applies the pattern to a new problem. A few-shot prompt has 5 parts. Task description. Then 2 to 5 examples showing input and output. Then the new input for the AI to complete. The key difference. Examples teach the pattern. The AI learns from what you show, not just what you say. Let's compare them side by side with the same task. Classifying movie reviews as positive or negative. Zero-shot. We just ask directly. Classify this review. Few-shot. We show 2 examples first. Then ask. Both get the answer right in this simple case. So when does the difference matter? Let's see zero-shot prompting in action with ChatGPT. We'll ask it to extract key information from a product review. Here's the zero-shot prompt. We clearly describe what to extract: product name, rating, main complaint, and recommendation. Then we provide the review. No examples. Now watch what ChatGPT produces. It should extract the information, but the format might vary. The output is correct, but notice, the format varies. Sometimes it uses bullet points, sometimes full sentences. Let's see how few-shot changes this. Now let's try the same task with few-shot prompting. We'll provide examples of the exact format we want. Here's the few-shot version. We show 2 examples with the exact format: product, rating, complaint, recommendation, all in brackets. Then we ask ChatGPT to follow the same pattern. Watch how ChatGPT now follows the exact format we demonstrated. The consistency is much better. Compare the results. Zero-shot gives correct information but inconsistent format. Few-shot gives correct information and matches the exact format we specified. This is the power of examples. So when should you use zero shot versus few shot? Here's a practical guide. Use zero shot when the task is simple and common, when the AI already knows the pattern, when you want faster responses, or when format doesn't matter much. Use few shot when the task is specialized or custom, when consistency matters and you need exact format, when the AI might misunderstand, or when quality matters more than speed. Here's the golden rule. Start with zero shot. If the results aren't consistent or accurate enough, add examples. Don't overcomplicate from the start. Why does few shot prompting work so well? It's all about pattern recognition. Large language models like ChatGPT are pattern recognition machines. They're trained on billions of examples. When you show examples, you are activating this pattern recognition. The model sees input leads to output. Input leads to output. Then when you give a new input, the model recognizes the pattern and produces an output that matches the examples. Key insight. The more consistent your examples, the stronger the pattern. The AI learns exactly what you want. Let's talk about common mistakes people make with few shot prompting, and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Inconsistent examples. If your examples use different formats, different lengths, or different styles, the AI gets confused about the pattern. Better, keep the format exactly the same. Same structure, same length, same style across all examples. Mistake 2. Too many examples. More isn't always better. 8, 10, 12 examples waste tokens, add confusion, and slow down responses. Better, use 2 to 5 quality examples. Make them clear, diverse, and representative of the task. Quality beats quantity. Mistake 3. Examples don't match the new task. If you show simple examples but ask for complex output, the AI struggles with the mismatch. Better, match the complexity. Your examples should mirror the complexity, length, and style of the output you want. Here's a quick decision flowchart to help you choose between zero shot and few shot. Start with your task. Is it common? If yes, try zero shot. If no, do you need exact format? If yes, use few shot. If no, try zero shot first and add examples if needed. Key takeaways. Zero shot is fast and simple when no examples are needed. Few shot is consistent and precise using 2 to 5 examples. Start zero shot and add examples if needed. And always keep examples consistent and relevant. Here's your practice challenge. Pick any task. Try it zero shot. Then try it few shot with 3 examples. Compare the results. You'll see the difference immediately. Coming next, chain of thought prompting. We'll teach the AI to think step by step, dramatically improving its reasoning and problem-solving abilities. Master zero shot and few shot prompting, and you'll unlock the AI's full potential. See you in the next episode.